Oh yeah, come on the rice, David. Come on the rice.
Where madam?
Come on the rice.
I they tell you this thing, you go poor uncle for body carry you go office.
Oh yeah, come on the rice. Come on the rice.
What is that dress?
All breast na rice.
Ah.
That is first breast. Second breast.
Come on the rice. Come on. Oh yeah, tear am make them see. Come open and that thing where you remove. Oh yeah, tear am. Tear the waiting there inside. Tear am. No, tear am. Just tear am.
Tear am.
I say tear am. Oh yeah, go around for ground. Oh yeah, come on the other one with it. Oh yeah, no, it's okay. Remove the last one with the inside. Rice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Everything that.
This one, don't be rice.
You think I dey play with you?
Don't be rice.
Oh yeah, come on the rice. Come on down with your head first. Guys, so just let her come out it. This is not a joking matter. Is that rice?
That rice.
And the woman being go eat this rice.
Yes.
And they go say some men know they work.
And some know they wash the rice before they eat.
Oh yeah, now make woman being see. When they say customs know they work.